Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie. In today's video, we are going to try on the Butter Bronzer that everybody is talking about. Now, the reason why I am so late in this game is because I never really thought that this would work for me. So today, I'm gonna find out if this is going to work. Now, it says on their website that this is actually their next to the last shade, but I don't think so, because when I grabbed this up and I compared it to the deep bronzer, this one appeared to be more darker. I mean, just by looking at it side by side, but I wish I grabbed the deep bronzer too, huh? But then again, like, I compared them side by side and I spent like an entire 2 minutes just looking at the two of them. And I asked a lot of people like, which one is darker, which one is darker? So they said this one is actually the darkest, and this is their newest bronzer. So I was like, why not? So when you look at it online, this is $14.95. That is not cheap at all. Like, what the heck? That is not cheap. Physicians Formula is one of those drugstore brands that is like mid-price. I must say that they're in the middle of prestige and drugstore, because their prices are like different from the rest of the drugstore items. Probably because, I don't know, they're formulated more naturally, I guess. But anywho, this is what it looks like. I got all of their highlighters as well. So if you guys end up enjoying this, then stick around and oh my gosh, I just can't wait till the end, huh? So let's open it up. Will this one show? Okay, I just made it. So you will be getting 11 grams of a product, and it actually dead ass smells like coconut. Can't even remember the last time I used a Physicians Formula. I usually buy their foundations, but yeah. The packaging is super cute. Looks like that. Oh. So when you open it up, it has a mirror underneath, so it looks like that. Perfect for traveling as well. I don't know if you guys do touch up your bronzer, but I actually don't. And it has a sponge applicator. I actually thought that it's going to be a brush, but I don't know how you're going to use this on your face, but I'm thinking maybe you can use this for your foundation, but not for the bronzer. It's going to be a little difficult for me to use this one since I haven't used that one ever. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just going to use my favorite contouring brush, and then let's jump right in. Let me give you a swatch first. It's not gonna show up on my face. Okay, let's try it. So I'm just gonna put it how I normally do my bronzer. So I only did half of my face first, so you can see that's what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look. What do you guys think? So I did my best when it comes to applying the product. I just do whatever I normally do, but I must say that I really love the formula of this one. It literally just glides like butter. But the thing is that it needs more color. Okay, like, it really does need more color. If you want something that is a little bit more natural, I think you will love this product. You know, natural everyday makeup look. I can think of my mom using this product because she's like NC 20. I'm an NC 30 or 35, so just for reference. So I'm medium or nude beige, something like that. So this is what it's going to look like on the skin if you have a medium skin tone. So it appears a little bit, but don't expect it to be like very obvious on your face. So I think I'll use it for like days that I need a little bit of color, or you know, going to Walmart or doing some errands. Sorry about that. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. I think this butter bronzer is just okay. I wish they would come up with more colors and more undertones so everybody could enjoy it. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I upload almost every day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!